Morning. So I'm about ready to show you some different walls and things in Laguna Beach. So um, this is one of those days, found something new, so I thought I'd share it with you. So hang tight. So a little hard to see because of the sun at my back, but let me show you this. Laguna Beach. Yeah, so creative wall, moving over time. You can see where they tried to brace it right up here with that wooden beam. But man, this thing it's listing. It's bad. But the front yard is fun. So we're gonna walk up front. So taking a long walk up to the front. If you like what I'm showing you today, please press subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see. So anyway, almost at the top. So this is the first part. Cracks in the wall, right? Bad sign. But so we go over here. I don't know. Just not a good day in Southern California if there's an earthquake of any reasonable magnitude here in Laguna Beach. So anyway, know what's going in, know how things should be, and it shouldn't look like this. Fix your walls. But there's another hidden secret. If we have that right earthquake, the fire hydrant is just outside the wall, but just terrible. This wall is probably about 3 feet from its original base where it was 90-degree angle straight up. Just terrible. So anyway, hire the right contractor, make sure they use the right building codes, rebar, footer, and the right materials. But obviously this wall is built pretty well because it's flexed a lot. But during the right earthquake, bad day. Anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. Looking for that oops, ugly, and bad project. Take care. I'm out.